show on MTV Base, one of the most amazing shows on MTV Base right now. Everyone loves it. I enjoyed shooting the show. I am hoping for season 2, Home Nation, that plays every Friday between 6 and 7. Will I also label myself as a singer? No, definitely. Number one, I don't think I qualify to be in the music industry because, no, actually. No, I am not a singer and I'm not venturing into music. I'm also a full-time mom, which is really cool. One of the coolest thing ever, you know. Look at me because I don't speak, I'm joking. But you know, I'm having so much fun being a mom and also having mad fun, being a radio host. Can I tell you, I have not seen that. A lot of people have been telling me, they're dissing your child. I'm like, wait, show me. And also, if I say it, it's okay. This is the killing part of me. Not everyone is going to like you and not everyone is going to like what you do. Because honestly, you know what I've learned about the industry, number one? That you have to be as authentic as possible. So I've mastered the authenticity level of originality of being myself. What's it wrong? I have to think really deep. I think when I started out, obviously, I wanted to fit in, trying to figure out where I belong and stuff. It's like, actually, this thing is not even for me. Let me just stick to being the only girl who does all these crazy things. Let me just be myself. And I did that, and that's when people started to love me even more. People actually do love that. They want to see something fresh, something new, not this celebrity lifestyle every time when they make up. I'm telling you now, I can sell Amakwenya on my timeline and literally they're gonna get sold out in a day. But there's a point where they push you to actually retaliate and like that's like my favorite song. Destruction Boys, obviously, I feel like everyone loves Destruction Boys, and I also do as well. Not only, Itaula. That beat goes in. Two of Mapolisa's songs that I love, Staring, definitely. And there's this new one. I don't know who sings it, but I know Mapolisa is on the song. It's in I know, and yes, no, okay. DJ Tuzin, featuring somebody, Vamos Vamuk. Yes, that song goes in. Excuse me? No, we're not best friends with babes. No. Best friend, family. Yeah, I'm best friend with my family. We are constantly friends, but we understand each other. We speak about personal stuff at times. We share, heart to heart. We have like heart to heart conversations. But we are great. We are good. We tolerate each other. We gel. I cannot do what I can start, but I love them when the word speaks, Yes, I'm moving to a drive time slot. Yay! Still on Touch HD. 3-hour slot now on drive time. More details to follow on my Instagram. Please do follow me so find out more about that. And on the other side, I'm launching my lingerie line, which is named after my daughter. Yes, called Love Lisa. Lisa Kanikamalaki. So love Lisa, because everything that I do right now, I'm doing it for her. She deserves all the love, all the amazing things, all the money in the world, because she's just a blessing, the biggest blessing of my life. Yo, what's up guys, this is Ntando Duma. Please do catch me on all my social media platforms, on Twitter at Dumantando20, on Instagreasy at Dumantando. And shout out to Drum for always, making us look good, and also slay, super right, super ready, super relevant, I did try.